Costly mistakes when flipping a house. Costly mistakes when flipping a house. Number 1, paying too much for the property. It's important that you get a property at a good price. Number 2, underestimating your renovations. Renovations are going to cost a lot, and there's always some hidden costs that you didn't see, especially when you start tearing walls down or moving doors. You always come across something that you haven't anticipated. Number 3, holding on to the property too long. If your construction overruns or you overprice a property when you're trying to sell it, your holding costs are going to cost you a lot more than you anticipated. Number 4, hiring bad contractors. Bad contractors will cost you a lot of money in overages, taking too long, breaking all the stuff, and then you have to fix it. Number 5 is falling in love with the property. Getting those goggly eyes and thinking, oh, you can make a wonderful job and it's not going to cost much and you're going to do really well. Trust the numbers. You have to trust the numbers. Fall in love with the numbers before you fall in love with the house.